Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, in my effort to film everywhere I can in Macau, this is Entena Street, and it's right up next to the back of Sao Paulo ruins. And in this particular video, I'm going to be just going uphill towards it. So it's going to be a little bit of a short video, but it kind of maybe puts some texture into what the streets look like. There's also quite a bit of tourism up near the top, but I don't think I get into it too much in this video. But it is there, and it does kind of lead up to where all these tour buses are at. And I think I see some tourists walking around. They'll be in the background. Oh, and here's the map, so you can see exactly where we're at. So you can see the Sao Paulo ruins area, and we're kind of in the back. And this one's going to be going uphill. So the Sao Paulo ruins is kind of up on a hill. We're backside of it. Anyways, that's more information than you need. All you really need to do is just check and see what we're going to see on this particular street. And give you another little aspect of Macau visibly. Check it out. See a little handle right there. So let me kind of show you where we're at. So we're not too far from Chengdu Hospital, which is the area that we're at. There's some nice windows right there. And we're gonna go up, and we also have all these kind of maps here too. So we're gonna go up Entena. So we're kind of near Moorish Garden, St. Paul ruins, different tourist areas. But we're gonna head up this way. And we're gonna check out that little temple right there, that purple and gold. Okay. So let's just angle up this way a little bit. Actually, I'm going to cross the street because I think it's going to be more interesting. Capture some of these angles a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go up our hill, Entena. Let's see if it's interesting or not. It's kind of interesting. There's a little stairwell right there. I think these are these little, yeah, I haven't been in here in a while, but this is Rosary Street, and it goes all the way down that way, but we're gonna just keep on going up. Let's see what we can see. And this whole area has, here's also Flores Street. Mirror right there as well. Kind of interesting with the mirror. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. This stretch looks kind of boring. It's a little bit better. I think this might be part of the hospital right here. And then we have Figueira, which is a temple. And there's some nice architecture down that way as well. This is usually in the daytime I'll see some older people, and they'll wait for money basically. Okay. Straight ahead is a fortress, Mont Fortress. And I think our street might end before that. We'll see if this is the ending or if it goes up more. So we're still on Entena. Then it opens up into something kind of interesting. Just kind of see. We'll go across. Yeah, this actually continues going up. So it's actually called Entena Street as well. Let's just kind of capture this whole. So that's where we just came up. And it's all part of Macau Street to the right there. This is all Entena. Entena. And I think I'm going to come over on this side. Mostly because this door looks more interesting than anything on the other side. Dealer corner. Workshop. Okay. So this street does go all the way up to Mont Fortress, which overlooks the whole Sao Paulo ruins area. I don't think I filmed the street from end to end before. Let's see. A tourist shop. Let me go across. So we're gonna kind of go this way a little bit. And I'm just gonna come up this way slightly. There's a museum up here. There's also a street sign that I kind of want to see what it says. But you can see it goes up towards this Pont Mort. Oh, here we go. The plaza of the Macau Museum. Macau Museum is right here. And then that goes up into the hills. Sao Paulo Ruins is right over there. And our Entena Street was when we just came down. And I don't think I filmed it before. Pretty sure I haven't. But there it is. It's kind of cool, the hills and such. Entena. And on that note, we're gonna end our video. So I hope that was kind of interesting. I hope something, anyways.